Oh, this is the fish that Levi won playing a game at New Hope over the weekend. And we don't have any, brown scribbly meat, right? For it to eat. And so, Levi suggested to put it in there. Okay, chalo. Okay. Huh?
That rings it?
Rings it?
Yeah.
Rings it like what?
Like on the water.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I ring the water too?
No.
What?
Let's put the fish in the water.
No.
Alright, Levi, don't fish water in. Fish, there's a momon on it. See the green right there? That's a momon for fish.
Oh, yeah. Ready? Ready? It's all there.
Okay, right now. 1,
Ready?
2.
Then what do you do with the fish?
Put the fish in there. Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Okay, hold your fish. Swimming there. Okay? Right there.
Then just put it like that. Let's do this and do and line this like that.
Okay, yeah. Like that. Okay? Oh, like that? No, yeah. See, like that. Keep going, keep going. Oh, see? Fish is in Levi's Honolulu. I think Honolulu. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah, fish happy-less. Give me 5. Fish has not eaten for 2 days. Poor thing. Yeah, eat all the green seaweed. Yeah.
And we're not gonna get stuck on the seaweed.
Yeah, he's gonna get stuck on the seaweed?
No.
Oh, he's not gonna get stuck on the seaweed.
Yeah.
Oh.
Eat some seaweed.
Oh, yeah, eat the seaweed. Okay, good.
We're gonna start eating seaweed.
Uh-huh.